Good morning, students. Today I will teach you new chapter, that is conditional and looping statements. And I'm requesting you to all your last chapter, that is the data types and its operator. Please complete your work and show your work in my WhatsApp number. Student, first of all, before starting this chapter, in this chapter we will have all the conditions and looping statement. But first of all, I would like to tell you about the statement. What is this meaning of statement? Statements, or you can say instructions. Instructions are also known as statements. Okay, if you are saying something, that means there is a statement by. Okay, if you are saying something, that means there is a statement given by you. Okay, so a program is a set of instructions to do a task. Program क्या है? Is a set of instructions to do a task. Means if you want to simple, if I will say to you, children, add two numbers in Python, and you must have done this program in Python by both the method. One is initialization method and second is input method. A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4, print A plus B. It will add the two numbers. Input A, input enter first number and input enter second number, then A plus B. Okay, so that means for adding, for making, if you are making any program, for that you have to give the instructions. So program is a set of instructions to do a task. So task kya hai? What is the task over here? Task means that you are adding the two numbers, and for the adding the two numbers you have to give the statements or the instructions. Okay, I hope you cleared about this. And children, now simple statement and the compound statement. Statement is of following type: simple and compound. Simple means a single statement is known as simple statement. One line statement is known as simple statement. Okay. Compound means more than one line. A compound statement is a sequence of more than one statements. Okay, means more than one line or more than one statement is known as compound statements. Okay, I hope so you are not getting any doubt over here. The thing I have discussed about the statement, then program, then simple statement, compound. Simple means single line statement, compound means more than one line statement, program means a set of instructions for doing any task, and statement means statement and instructions both are same. Now, control structure. Control structure affects the flow of the execution of the program. Means by flowing of the, means with the help of the control structure you can affect your program, how your program will be executed, which line will be executed first, that you can control. So control structure affects the flow of the execution of the program. You can change the flow of the execution of the program by control structure. So we have following kinds of control structure: sequence, selection, and iteration. Sequence means simple program using identifier, operator, and expression, as you have done, like for adding the two numbers, whatever the instructions you are giving, that is a simple statement. Okay, where you are using identifiers, operators. For adding the two number, the operator, it will be plus. Identifier is A is equal to 2, B is equal to 4. These are the identifier. Expression means print A plus B. That is known as expression. So this is known as sequence control structure. Means all the statement will be executed sequentially. Selection means we have in selection if else, if elif, else. So these keywords comes in selection construct. Mean by the give by if the user will give the condition, okay, according to that condition the program will work. Iteration, for and while loop comes, means repetition of the task. So this we will study in detail in this chapter. So sequence control means the statements are being executed sequentially. एक के बाद एक आपके statement execute होंगे. It is also known as straight line path. For example, statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. See, print hello, print hi, print good morning. So these are the statements. 1, 2, 3. Statement 1, statement 2, statement 3. and these three statements will be executed sequentially, means एक के बाद एक. First this will be executed hello one, then hi, then good morning. Means when you will run your program, in first time you will see the output hello, then second line you will see the output hi, and third line you will see the output good morning. Okay, the sequence nothing is there, on whatever the statements you have given, that will be executed sequentially. Selection or branching. Programs or statements will be executed by the selection of the condition given by the programmer. So whatever the programmer will be given condition, so it will be executed according to the condition. So programs or statements will be executed by the selection of the condition given by the programmer. For example, this I have shown you by the flow chart. It's means that process is going on. Condition we are raising. If any condition, if it will be, so if the condition will be true, suppose for the, if you want to go to your in morning when you wake up, you want to go to school today, suppose you think you should go or not. For that, if you will think yes, you will go, for that you will get up and you will change your uniform and all. Okay, and if you will think that you will not go to school, then you will again sleep. Say that means condition will be raised. If the condition will be true, statement 1 will be executed. If the condition will be false, statement 2 will be executed. So here, example, a is equal to 5. If a greater than 1, क्या a greater than 1 है, colon, print a is greater. Only this much we have written. Okay, अगर a की वैल्यू 5 है, 5 1 से always greater है, उस केस में you will get the output a is greater. So this is the condition we are raising by if statement. Okay, if, and this is the condition. See children, this is the condition if we have given that comes in a selection construct, and greater than, this is a relational operator. And colon means it is a indent based language, means after giving indent, this colon, that means it will be the part of this print statement, will be the part of if condition. Okay, now iteration. Iteration means repetition of a set of statements depending upon the test condition. Till the time a condition remains true, a set of statements are repeated again and again. Iteration is also known as looping or repetition. Okay, iteration means repetition of the statement. Suppose आप कोई loop, इसको हम loop भी बोलते हैं. We can say loop also. Loop means अगर आपने एक loop पेन में loop बनाया, same work को you are revising, that is known as iteration. Okay, so condition we are raising. If the condition will be true, statement 1 will be executed, statement 2 will be executed. Again it will check the condition. Condition true hai, yes, statement 1 will be executed, statement 2 will be executed. Again it will go back to the condition. Again it will check the condition. If the condition will be true, statement 1 and 2 will be executed. And if the condition will be false, then statement 1 and 2 will not be executed. And false, or whatever you will write, it will either it will come out from the loop or it will exit from that condition. Okay, so this we will explain in deeply in a program. So students, for today this much only. Today we have discussed about the conditional and looping statement. First of all, I have discussed about statements. What is a statement? Program, simple statement. Compound means more than one line statement. Control structure में we have sequence, selection, iteration. Sequence में single statement है. Selection में it will have the condition, and iteration में we will have for and while loop. And sequence में I have given you the example, like all the statement will be executed sequentially. Selection में it will check the condition. Okay, if the condition will be true, then this statement will be executed. Otherwise, false condition. If the condition will false, statement 2 will be executed. In iteration में repetition task will be performed. If the condition will be true, again and again it will execute this statement, and again it will check the condition. If the condition will be again true, then again this statement will be executed, and if the condition will be false, it will come out from this loop. Thank you, students.